Okay, so here at the airfield, and we are gonna fly my new favorite drone. And those people who know all the jokes and stuff know that it is the DJI Mini 3. Let's get ready to go. We'll do the calibration test because it's always worth doing that real quick. It wants me to spin it. Then it wants me to spin it this way. It wants me to spin it this way. And it's all good. Yay. Let's see, here we go. Should be able to, it says camera error. Nothing is blocking the camera. Oh, there is something blocking the camera. The gimbal guard is blocking the camera. Great. That's my bad. Anyway. We should be able to take off, but before we do that, let's make sure that everything else is running, and that was a bad mistake on my part. Because now the camera is not responding to... So maybe I should just redo... Let's close the app. And reopen the app. Come on. It just would let me to take off, but I'm not sure that's a good idea. So I'm going to turn off the drone. I do not want to take any chances with this beautiful thing. And turn it back on. And make sure that it does all the things that it's supposed to do. Because this was my bad. I just didn't take off the thing. Today, it's a beautiful day, and this is a beautiful spot to fly. But I want to see if we can catch that bird of prey that we saw earlier. And hopefully we will be able to. So we're going to take off, and we're going to send that camera up a little bit. Because I did see one earlier. And it should still be up there. So I'm hoping that it is. I'm just not aiming at it correctly. Let me see. It should be right there. You should be able to see it. You should be able to see it. I see it at least. There it is, right there. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Before, with the other drones that I had, I couldn't do this. But today, we can. Look at that. I'm loving this. We finally got a decent view of a bird. And it may be coming towards us, actually. So if that's the case, that's even better. And I can gimbal it up a little bit so you guys can see the bird better. This is a dream come true, guys. A dream come true. And sometimes they do. These dreams, they do come true. And all you need is a drone that can aim for the sky, and you can see what you want to see. Look at that. I could have never done this with any other drone. Haha. Man, this is cool, guys. What a day. This is fantastic. And I've been wanting to do this with all the other drones. The Hubsan Mini SE, the DJI Mini 2. But even if you tried to modify it, there's mechanical lock, not just a software lock, so you could never do it. Even if you're very handy and stuff, the amount of modifications you would have to do in order to be able to modify a Mini to be able to do what the Mini 3 is capable of doing is just too much. You wouldn't be able to do it. But anyway, wow. This is probably the longest flight that I've ever been able to do tracking a bird ever. So we're not going to risk it for brisket. I'm going to take the bird back. Oh, it looks like there's actually more in the air right now. There's a bunch more coming around. Some of them are very close to the drone. Let's see. There's a lot up in the air, guys. I just don't know if you guys can see them or not. They're actually circling the drone. See, trying to get them all in one shot. But that is cool, guys. And one of them is getting pretty close to the drone right now. It's quite awesome. I'm gonna come back for a nice landing. I love this place. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see this beautiful spot. It's so beautiful. I put the geo cage very low on purpose. All right, let's go in for a nice landing. We're gonna aim directly at me. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. I love how smooth this Mini is. It's really smooth. I'm gonna turn and turn and turn and turn and turn and turn and turn. And I'm gonna go back a little bit. I'm gonna adjust it just the way I want it. Then we're gonna land exactly right in front of me, pretty much. And the beautiful thing is, if I was to gimbal it up now, I do believe there is one of those beautiful birds right on top. I'm not sure if that's viewable or not. It may be too far high. Let's see. If I zoom, does that do anything? I'm still getting used to all the new tech features on this drone. But it's beautiful. Anyway, it's coming down for a nice landing. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. Do a nice landing real quick. Come on, land. Okay, there we go. Beautiful landing. And since we can, hopefully we can just aim at stuff. Let's gimbal it straight. Let's see. Maybe you guys can see something. I don't know. There were a few. There's a hawk right above me if the gimbal will allow. But anyway, I'm just really happy that we were able to do what we did. And we've got some amazing footage to bring back home. Hopefully it fit recorded. And yeah, very, very happy with that, guys. So thanks for watching. And I will see you all in the next one. I am so happy today. So I'll see you all very soon.